What's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. What a day it was. Guys, this is exactly the price action in the overall markets that we've been looking for this week. I told you guys this week we were flipping the script. I told you guys this week that I expected a bear market rally. I told you guys this week that we're going to be looking for call options. And man, did we ever hit this thing long today. Hit him out of the park, guys. We had some continuation and follow through from this trade that we entered yesterday. That was RDBX, a big gap up today in RDBX. That thing went all the way up over $9. Then we had some trades today. You take your pick. Take your pick. We had NVDA. People were in AMD. There was Amazon. The overall markets in the SPY. Take your pick today on being on the long side of the trade. That's not the wrong side. That's the long side. And the long side has been the wrong side so far in 2022. But we're able to sniff out this bear market rally. And congratulations to my TG fam for absolutely knocking it out of the park today. Just a big, big day in chat. Guys, you're talking about a 584 entry yesterday on RDBX. That stock goes up over $9 today. You're looking at an NVIDIA option today that goes up 90% in a single day, an Amazon option that goes up 42% in a single day from our entry to our exits. And it doesn't matter if you guys are working a full-time job, if you guys, are not in front of your computer screen. These are all trades that you could have been able to take advantage of between yesterday and today, whether you guys are in front of your computer or not. And that's the benefit of using our mobile app and being part of the TTG family. All right. So that's where we're at here, folks. It's a big time day today. We're waiting for some earnings coming out. A lot of people are in anticipation of, we got some retail earnings. You got Costco earnings that are coming out. Everyone's looking at it after Target and Walmart went down 20, 30%. Then you had Dollar Tree and Dollar General went up 20%. Now you've got Costco kind of sitting in the middle here. A lot of people trying to wonder what's going to happen here. We'll talk about that when that print comes out here while we're doing this live. But we got a lot to go over. We got a lot to unpack. I've been on these live streams for a while, and I've been explaining to people that this volatility in the market is just an active trader's dream. And active trading, I'm not talking about literally buying and selling stocks every 30 seconds. Okay, active meaning you're either day trading or you're swing trading, and you're taking advantage of big up moves in the market, but also big down moves in the market. Okay, that's what I mean by being active. I told everybody that 2022 was going to be the year of the active trader. And I told you that this is the year that retail traders and individual active traders like us can greatly outperform some of the top hedge fund managers on Wall Street. And that's because size does not pay in volatile markets like you have. And these hedge funds are too big. They're not able to get in and out. They're not able to go long and then short. They're not able to be long on a 2 to 3 day bear market rally and then be short for the next week. They're too big for that. We as active traders, if you're educated enough to be able to understand and take advantage of these opportunities and be long on days when the bear market rallies are intact and not fight that flow, but then also understand that you're still in an overall down market and a down trend. So once those rallies do start to run out of steam, getting yourself back on the short side, whether it's shorting stocks, buying put options, buying inverse ETFs, these are all things that you can do that will actually help you make money when stocks go down. And that is the type of environment that we have been in since the entire year of 2022. And I don't see that going away at all anytime soon. The action that we saw here today, the markets went right up to the exact area that we have been talking about now for days that I expected this little bear market rally to get us to. And that is right up to that 406, 407 area, which is a major, major level of resistance. Okay. Over the last 2 years, doesn't matter what stock that you bought. You could have put every single stock in the S&P 500 up on a wall and close your eyes and throw in a dart, and you guys could have made money, right? That's not the environment that you're in now today. You've got to be nimble. You've got to understand what you're doing. It's not enough to just follow the advice of what Mambo Jam's Kitty Cat says on Reddit. You've got to have a real education to understand where opportunities lie, and when you're dealing with moments of where it looks like you're about to get a bear market rally, because bear market rallies, all a bear market rally is stocks don't go down or up in straight lines. And when stocks go down and when the markets go down, they go down very quickly. Stocks go down a lot faster than they go up. We say in True Trading Group that bulls take the stairs, bears take the window. You go down a lot faster than you go up. when markets are going down and they're crashing, like we've been doing so far in the last month and a half, and really for the entire year of 2022, think of it as an elastic band. If any one of you were to pull an elastic band, eventually you're going to get to a point where that elastic band is so taut that it's going to snap out of your finger. It's going to come shooting back up. That's what a bear market rally essentially is. And bear market rallies will always make people feel like the bottom is in. They make people chase stocks higher. They feel like they've missed it. And I'm sitting here and I'm watching this move today in the markets and this week in the markets. And we said this on Sunday. I told you Sunday night that the markets were going to be green this week. We had 7 consecutive weekly declines in the overall markets. And I told you Sunday night, I thought that was going to come to an end. That's the greatest weekly decline, okay, in consecutive weekly decline in the S&P since the 1920s. Now, I don't know about you, that's a hell of a long time. And I thought that that was going to come to an end this week. And I thought the markets were set for a bear market rally. We had a beautiful reversal on Friday that set the tone to be long this week. That was the game plan. Be long this week. Okay. And after you had a little bit of a growth scare with that Snap 8K that came out where they warned against like a deteriorating macro environment that sent markets lower on Tuesday, the markets ate that up. They recovered it and it's been long ever since. And that's exactly what we've been doing here inside True Trading Group. And we were able to capitalize beautifully on what was just an amazing week. Okay. And we still have tomorrow to come. We still have tomorrow to come. This is just another example of many that you guys are going to be, that you guys can do with a full-time job, right? Like being able to buy put options, short stocks, either buy inverse ETFs or then turn around and then capitalize on up moves when bear market rallies do present themselves, because you always get bear market rallies when stocks go down, always. And I think we just got another one of them today. And if we go back to Sunday night's live stream, okay, I talked about this in very great detail. So on Sunday night's live stream, and for those of you that are maybe just joining if you're watching us live right now, and this is maybe you just found the channel, you guys are brand new, or maybe you're watching this live stream later after it already airs, this is why it's very important if you're not subscribed to this channel, you have to do so right now. You got to click the subscribe button. You got to turn on your notifications, make sure you never miss out on the live streams, because on every single night, I do this 6 nights a week, but it's Sunday nights at 8:30 p.m. specifically. I go over with you my outlook for the week, what I think the market's going to do this week, and what my game plan is, and how I intend on making money. So it's very important. It's very important that you guys follow along and you listen to the analysis and you guys always understand what's going on. I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I don't come on the day after the fact and I tell you, oh, look, I knew it. I knew this was going to happen. No, I come straight out and I tell you what I think is going to happen, okay, days in advance. I told you on Sunday night that I believe that we were going to get a bear market rally and the markets were ready. And I told you very specifically that I thought we were going to get to 406, 407. And I told you very specifically that I think we're going to be coming on here in these live streams and we're going to be telling you that we were able to make money, that we were able to make money on calls. And that's exactly what we were able to do. So congratulations to my TGG fam, all of those that fought along on the NVDA trade, whether it was NVIDIA, if it was AMD, or if it was Amazon, or if it was Tesla, or if it was the SPY. There were so many different ways that people could have capitalized on the action today. And we're going to get into all of that here today on this live stream. So in a bit, guys, in just a few moments, I'm actually going to play a short little video clip. We're just waiting for it to load onto the Restream system, which is what we go live on. We've got the video clip. Now it has to upload to this platform. It's still uploading. As soon as that video uploads, we will then play that for you. It's a quick little 2-minute clip from Sunday night's live stream where I gave you my entire analysis on what I thought the markets were going to do this week. And I'm just happy that we were able to do that. So this is why more so than ever in this type of environment, you guys have to make sure that you're educated. I can't stress this enough. I come on here every single damn day on these live streams, and I stress the importance of an education. I stress how much of an opportunity that there is out there. This is the single best trading environment that I have ever seen, and I've been doing this for over 15 years. Who the hell am I, and why should you listen to anything it is that I'm talking about? Guys, my name is Michael Edward. I probably have more experience than 90% of the YouTube finance gurus that you guys are going to be listening to. I've been trading and investing for about 15 years. I began my career working at a fund in New York City. It was my first job out of college. That's where I learned, and I was not able to touch $1 of their money until I went through an educational training program that lasted about 3 months. Okay, that's where I really learned and got the foundation to become the trader that I am here now today. Okay. And then 2008 was the Great Recession, the stock market crash, but that's also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. This volatile environment is exactly the environment that I thrive in. And this is the environment that TTG members have been thriving in. And congratulations, if you joined TTG this week, if you caught the live stream Sunday, if you joined us Sunday, if you joined us Monday, congratulations, guys, because you guys were able to, you guys could have made back your membership fee literally in just a couple of days. Or be able to, maybe set some extra cash aside to be able to pour into the long-term portfolios in a bunch of stocks of companies that we've already been nibbling on. I've already started buying 9 different stocks that I've shared with my TTG fam, and I've got another list of companies that I plan on adding to over the next couple of weeks to a couple of months, and that's where I really think that the buying opportunity here lies. Right. And folks, that for TTG members, it's under the May 10th blog post. If you are a member of TTG and you guys missed what those stocks were, it's under the May 10th blog post. If you are a member of TTG, it's under the May 10th blog post about those 9 stocks that I bought. Okay. So you have it, folks. All right. I thought that I always stress to people that volatility equals opportunity, and volatility equals opportunity in a couple of different ways. Okay. Volatility being, all volatility is the stock market, and therefore the stocks within it, will make bigger moves in one given day than they normally do. That's what volatility is. Okay. When volatility increases, stocks make bigger moves. When volatility decreases, stocks make smaller moves. Right now, you have tremendous volatility in the overall market. And that enables traders like us, if you're able to identify the opportunities, which we'll teach you in True Trading Group how to do that. The first thing that you guys will learn are basically proper risk management and how to identify A+ setups and opportunities in the market. Okay. I go through a process, and this is what I learned that I was working at the fund. What are the characteristics that make up an A setup versus a B setup versus a C setup? You want to get to a point where you can identify A, B, and C setups, avoid the C setups at all costs, okay? And try to be patient and disciplined enough to wait for the A setups. The A setups are where you have the highest probability of success. There's not one pattern or one setup or one indicator that's going to work 100% of the time. All you can do is identify the highest probability patterns that you can find and put yourself on the right side of that probability over and over and over again. Okay. So this is what you guys are going to learn in TTG. And in fact, for those that want to see exactly what you're going to learn as a member, we'll actually post the syllabus in chat right now. Joe, do me a favor, buddy. Why don't you just post a link to the syllabus, just so if anybody wants to see what are some of the topics that you will learn as a member of True Trading Group, we'll put that in the chat. We'll put that in the chat right now for you guys, so you guys can see what are the topics that will be covered in our curriculum, so you guys can get a good feel for what you're going to be learning. All right. So back to volatility. Volatility meaning, like I said, being able to trade actively. That's how you were able to get a 90% gain on NVDA call options in one day. In one day, literally, we bought. I'll give you the exact timestamp. My exact timestamp on the NVIDIA long was at 9:49 a.m. Okay, 9:49 a.m. And my final take profit was at 12:30. Okay, my final take profit was at 12:30. So like you can see, I'm a traditional day trader. I'm not a scalper. Nobody in TTG is a scalper. There's 8 other professional traders that are moderators inside True Trading Group that are giving you commentary on the microphone. They're calling out trades in real time, giving you all of their own trades as well. And we all have different styles, from traditional day trading to swing trading to longer term swing trading. All right. Day trading is buy today, sell today. And you can see my trades usually last several hours. And then you have swing trading, which is buy today, sell tomorrow, or any day thereafter. And short-term swing trading is usually you buy something, you sell it within a couple of days to maybe maximum 1 or 2 weeks. And then longer-term swing trading is you buy something, you sell it in 3-4 weeks, maybe even a month or 2 months. And we've got moderators that specialize in all those different types of styles and strategies. All right, and you'll learn how to do all this inside of True Trading Group. We're also 100% fully transparent, guys. All of our trades are uploaded daily and made public for our members and for trial members. You guys can see them all in great detail. Every single buy order, every single sell order that our moderators make, they're all uploaded into our trading history on our website in great detail, so you can see every single thing and every single move that the moderators make inside of TTG. We're fully transparent with everything. All the wins, all the losses, it's all there. All right, it's all there for you guys. All right. So I will, in just a moment, like I said, guys, I really want to get this clip up. So we can share this information with you guys as we are sitting here waiting on Costco earnings. So I'll let you guys know when we get some clarity on Costco earnings. I'll let you guys know when that does come out. All right. So that's where we're at, folks. So we got a really good live stream in store tonight. I'll have that clip for you guys soon. And then we'll cover it from there. But we're going to start the live stream off. In the meantime, I'm gonna kick things off with a Q&A session. We're going to give some time for people to log on. While you guys can while we wait for that video clip to come up, and then you guys can ask me some questions, whatever's on your mind, whether it's about an individual stock or if it's about trading in general or the overall markets. We'll go from there. So you guys can ask me whatever it is that's on your mind and whatever questions that you guys have, and we'll go from there. And then I want to talk to you about the bear market rally that we experienced today. Is this the sign of a bottom? Everybody on TV, the CNBC, every news outlet that you see today, they're all talking about, is this the bottom? Do we feel more rosy? Is it time to be buying the dip again? And is the bottom in? And is it time to just start buying everything? Well, we're going to talk about that today. I'm going to give you guys my input and my thoughts on where the markets go from here. Now that we experienced a little bit of a bear market rally, which we were all over. We sniffed this thing out last week, and we were able to capitalize on it big time today. All right. So let's go ahead and let's start that Q&A session. Guys, don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. There's no such thing as a stupid question. Believe me, asking questions is how you guys will learn. So I want you to, without any further ado, begin typing your questions in chat right now. Let's start that Q&A. All right. Folks, fire away. Give me your worst. What's on your mind? Talk to me, guys. Crazy day today. Here we go. Mike, I know you were looking at NVDA for a long-term portfolio. What are some smaller cap stocks, cheaper stocks you are looking at? Okay, so I don't really necessarily like a lot of small caps for the long-term portfolio. That's just me. One cheap stock that I will give you that I actually do like, and I am bullish on the long term, like 5-7 years out. I believe I'm going to be very, very happy when I look back 5-7 years from now. I believe I will be very happy that I'm a shareholder of SoFi. SoFi is a finance company, financial services company that has really gotten beaten up lately because of the student loan moratorium continuously being extended. Every single time the student loan moratorium was about to come to an end, President Biden extended it. And then it was about to come to an end, and then Biden extended it. Then the company got a bank charter, so they can actually become now a bank. And then you have the stock market just completely crash, and you have recession fears and everything else. So this company is progressing nicely in their business model. I like that they were able to get their bank charter, but they've had a lot of headwinds this year. And a lot of people say, yeah, but the student loans only make up like 10 or 15% of their revenue. Well, first of all, 10 to 15% of your revenue is not nothing. I mean, that's still 10 to 15% of your revenue. But the bigger issue there that I think with SoFi is without the student loan refinancing, you're taking away lead generation for them. SoFi's whole entire model is let's attract the younger millennial consumer that does not want to walk into a branch. They want to do mobile banking. They want to be able to do every single thing around their finances right here. They don't want to have to go to a bank or a financial institution to do it. And let's attract those people. Let's get them in the door with other services that are relevant to them now, and then provide other services and keep them and build that brand loyalty as the younger millennial becomes and gets deeper in their professional careers and become higher earners, and then offer them other products and other banking products as they become higher earners, and then keep that person. So I like SoFi. I like what they're doing. I like their platform. I like they got their bank charter. I like their focus. I like their CEO. And this is a company that is a very, very, very cheap stock right now. And I believe when I look back 5-7 years from now, I'm going to be happy that I'm a shareholder. So that's just one cheaper stock. That's one cheaper stock that, if you're asking me for a cheaper price, there's one of them. I also like Ford. Ford is a cheap stock as well as far as share price goes. And that's one you can also keep your eyes on. I want to sign up and watch them for a couple of weeks. I don't have a lot of money. The cost of TTG, though, worth it is a lot for me now. Is it worth it? I mean, listen, instead of me answering this question for you, let me actually ask members themselves. Guys, do me a favor real quick. If you're a member of TTG, if you are a member, I'd like for you to tell me right now, what do you believe a membership to True Trading Group is worth? You tell me. If you think it, and be honest, if you think it's worth $5, tell me it's worth $5. What is it worth? Okay. You tell me, what is a TTG membership worth? You tell me what you think it's worth. And it's better for members to answer this question than it is for me. Obviously, I'm going to be biased. You know, what is it? Obviously, I'm going to tell you, yeah, the membership is worth it, but it's much better for you to get it from members themselves. Let's see. Carolyn thinks it's worth $5,000. Dave P thinks 10,000. Ken Gaffney says 10K easy. RIP Trader says 10K easy. At least 5K. Adam J. Oh, Adam J just joined yesterday. Already made $500 today. Adam J, I actually remember you joining yesterday. I saw you on the live stream yesterday, Adam. You had a bunch of questions too. I'm glad to have you part of the group, Adam. You had some very relevant questions yesterday. I respect your questions that you had. I'm glad you joined the group and already put $500 back in his pocket today. Sherry thinks it's worth at least 5 to 10 grand. Ben D says it's worth really about $5,000. Okay, 5K all day, says Cam. Josh Martin thinks it's worth 10 grand. Firefighter Greg says it's easily worth 6K. You guys get the point. I don't got to keep reading these. But the good news is for you that True Trading Group is not anywhere near $5,000 or $6,000 or $10,000. You guys can all get a membership to TTG tonight for just $11.20. All right, and that's actually going to give you guys about a 50% discount. You can go to ttgoffer.com and then use coupon code TTG121 to get that $11.20 price point. So just for those little fun fact there. So you see a lot of members, talking about 6K, 5K. We're never going to charge you guys that much. Our whole business model in True Trading Group is to provide retail traders and investors real education that I received when I was working literally professionally on Wall Street. I want to give you guys the same level of education that I got and give you access to the tools that professional traders use to make better decisions and teach you how to use those tools, give you access to them at no additional cost. And I want to make this all within reach for people. It shouldn't cost $6,000 if you'd have access to this type of information. It just shouldn't. What are my chances to break even on the membership? I know you can't answer. I'm a farmer and need to watch my money. Listen, I respect our farmers. I respect our farmers big time. We need you guys right now. What are your chances of making back the membership? Let's do this. My members of True Trading Group. Okay, if you've already made back your membership fee, sound off in chat. Tell me how long it took. If you've already made back your membership fee, tell me if you guys made it back already and how long did it take. Lewis, I would just tell you to watch the members that are going to comment in chat. They'll tell you, I can't tell you, I can't guarantee you, hey, this is how long it's going to take for you to make back your membership, or these are the chances it's going to take you to make back your membership. What I can tell you is we can have some of these members tell you how long it took them to make back their membership. You can read some of the comments that are coming through: 1 day, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 1 week, a couple of days, 3 weeks, 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, less than a month, 2 months, 2 months, 3 days, 1 to 2 days, 4 days. Okay. 1 week, 1 week. So you can just read some of the comments that are coming through chat right now. That's members telling you how long it took them to make back their membership fee. I think that's, and then also what I can tell you this is I can't tell you the chances. What are like the chances that you're going to make back your membership fee? But what I can tell you is that we have a retention rate from 2016 to present day of about 78%, which means about 78% of our members since 2016 are either renewing their membership or upgrading to become a lifetime member of True Trading Group. That is what I can tell you. And I would assume that if someone's going to renew their membership or become a lifetime member, they're not doing so because they're losing oodles of money and they're seeing no value and they're not seeing any progress. I would have to assume if 78% of our members are renewing their membership and they're becoming lifetime members, I would have to assume it's because they're progressing, they're seeing success, they're having success, they're seeing progress, and they see value in the membership and being part of the TGG community. I hope that helps answer your question. I think whenever you ask me questions like that, and this goes for anybody, I think it's always better for members to answer those questions than it is for me. It doesn't mean anything from me, like when I say something like that. Lifetime is the way to go. Yes, it is. I upgraded in just a few months of being a member. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Guys, we have barely any spots left. Okay. All right. We got barely any spots left. We opened up a few more spots for the lifetime membership. And then we're going to do a $50,000 giveaway once we close off lifetime membership. And they've actually filled up a hell of a lot faster than Adam and I really expected. So I didn't think we were going to be doing that 50K giveaway for a little bit, but we're already filling up those spots pretty quickly. We're filling up those spots pretty quickly. So you can see another member right there, Mo, was saying that they just upgraded to become a lifetime member. So these spots are filling up pretty quick. And then we're going to get rid of the lifetime. We're going to shut it down again once we fill up these spots, and we'll celebrate that with the $50,000 giveaway. Oh, geez. My thoughts on Mullen stock. I have no interest in this stock whatsoever. I have no interest in this stock whatsoever. It sounds like you got sucked into like the social media hype and craze, and then now we're a bag holder. My guess is you're probably long this stock from anywhere between $2 and $3, maybe $2.50 or so. The stock's now at 99 cents. It's not a company. It's not a stock that I want to own in my long-term portfolio. We traded Mullen in March when it was experiencing a little bit of a short squeeze, but that's all that stock ever was. For us, it was a trade. That's not something that I will ever invest in my long-term portfolio. It's just something that we traded back in March, and I haven't even looked at that stock since. And I have no intentions on looking at that stock. It's not on my watch list. It's not on my radar right now. Bought at 140. Okay, AJ says I bought at 140. Okay, stock's at $1 right now. I just don't really see anything on that chart right now, AJ, that makes me think that we're going to get a move here. The stock might just be kind of reliant right now on a piece of news. I think you're going to need a piece of news to get that stock going again. Thoughts on Tesla. Tesla was one of my top ideas today, and I was very busy today. Tesla was one of my top ideas long today, and I did not get into the Tesla trade because I was in NVIDIA, I was in Amazon, I was in RDBX. I mean, we were just on fire today. So I can't trade everything. Everything started moving in the morning and I was just going nuts. I was buying a bunch of stuff. And so I actually did not get into Tesla, but I got into NVIDIA, I got into Amazon, I hit everything else. The thing about Tesla, let me explain to you why Tesla stock is doing well right now. Aside from the overall market moving higher, and obviously Tesla, being part of the S&P, actually they have issues coming out of the S&P, but with Tesla being a bigger part and being connected to the S&P and that stock moving kind of with overall market direction, Elon Musk is no longer using his Tesla shares for the Twitter acquisition. So Elon Musk said because originally he was going to be doing a originally he was going to be doing a margin loan on his shares of Tesla to get financing to do part of the money that he needed to acquire Twitter. Now that put a lot of pressure on Tesla stock when that news came out. Okay, that put a lot of pressure on Tesla stock when that news came out. The stock really, really, really got beaten up. Okay, really, really, really got beaten up. All right. So there's news out today that he no longer needs the margin loan and he's not doing the margin loan anymore. So that was a fundamental catalyst to give you a buy signal on Tesla. And the other part of that was Tesla was sitting on a major support level. Okay. Now that support level, and I'll just show it to you, and I'll go to like a 15-minute chart just to make it a little bit more clear and easy for people to see. And I'll draw a line right across this level around 650, 655. And you'll notice that with regards to Tesla, when you have the big gap down day on the 24th, you'll see that double top resistance in that area. And then yesterday we broke through that area. And then yesterday that level started to act as an area of support. And then today, this morning, we double bottomed at this level again. Okay. So you double bottomed at that level again. So now let me just delete this. Let me go back to a 3-minute chart so you can actually see the double bottom from this morning. And we'll go into the 3-minute chart. We go all the way back here. And then there you guys have, there's one, and then there's two. All right, let me just refresh my screen. Looks like my screen is frozen. I'm sorry. We'll pull this back up for you guys. There it is. So there's your double bottom. There's one, and then there's two. See that? So there's the line. There's that line that I drew, right? So there's your resistance, double top from yesterday, from 2 days ago, right? Double top from 2 days ago. Then once we got above it yesterday, you'll see yesterday became a nice level of support. See all that support? Then today, this morning, double bottom, and then you get the news of no longer needing the margin loan, and the stock just absolutely rips face. Okay, so absolutely rips face. What I will tell you now is this. Tesla now has to contend with what is a major level of resistance, and that is going to be just over that 700. All right, just over that 700. Now you guys can see here it is. All right. And now we are right back testing that level. Okay. So what you're going to want to see is Tesla getting really, really above this 700, 705. You really want to see it get over that level. Okay. You really want to see it get over that level. So right now we're just in that level of resistance. So we had support 650, 655. You got resistance up there at 700. Right now, we're at that 700 resistance. We got to see if we can actually push through it. Today shows that your theory on how the market will make a bound upwards and then inevitably come to a recession, if so far true, very interesting. You definitely have some DD we don't know about. I don't have DD that you don't know about. I just have 15 years of experience and I have a professional education. That's, guys, honestly, that is the only thing that makes me different from some of you that are on this live stream that are watching and say, wow, this guy literally called exactly what the market was going to do. How did he do that? I don't have a crystal ball. I'm not psychic. I just have been doing this for a very long time. And you know, I was trained professionally at a hedge fund in New York by other successful traders. And I got a real education on how to do this correctly. You know, this is all part of what you're going to learn. You know, it's like when you guys join TTG, you're getting access to a simplified yet expanded upon version of the education that I got when I worked at the fund. And, you know, the crazy part is here is that like, I'm not like, I don't have like a crazy high IQ. Like I can't predict the future. I just have a proper education, and I've been doing this for a very long time. And I've gone through and I've made mistakes myself, and I've learned from those mistakes, and I can help prevent my teaching members from making those mistakes and correcting those issues very, very early on in their careers to help them reach their financial goals and to help them reach, consistent profitability. And that's what everyone's goal is. Me talking about on Sunday night's live stream, me talking about, and we've got a clip that I want to show you guys. We'll show it to you in just a second. But on Sunday night's live stream, I came on right here on this YouTube channel, and I told everybody on here that you are going to see me this week make money in call options, that you're going to see me go long. I told you that for the entire year with very brief moments. We've been bearish the entire year. We got long a couple times during this market sell-off when we've sniffed out bear market rallies. And I told you on Sunday night that another bear market rally was coming and we were going to get long this week. And I told you that we were going to make money long. So we actually have a quick clip. It's only a couple minutes long. I want to play this clip for you guys. This is from Sunday night's live stream. This is Sunday night. Okay, just this past Sunday. This is why if you are new to this channel, you've got to subscribe. You got to turn on your notifications. This is the kind of stuff that you're missing. Let's go ahead and play that clip. 7 or 8 consecutive red weeks in a row. That's the biggest weekly losing streak for the market since the 1920s. I think that comes to an end this week. I think the markets are going to actually bounce back this week. Okay. And so far, that's actually coming to fruition right now as we see the futures market is up right now. We're flirting around 0.9% to a 1% gain in the futures market. So after a big reversal on Friday, all right, and let me just refresh my screen. After a big reversal on Friday, all right, and I'll show you. Okay, this was a huge reversal on Friday. All right, that reversal set the market up technically for a bounce. Okay, and that is the daily chart, this candle that got put in here. That is what we call a hammer tail. Okay, for those that are looking at, that can be considered a hammer tail. I believe we are going to bounce now. All right, now we have been bearish for the last 2 months. We had 2 moments where we were actually bullish for very brief moments in time because we were active traders. And that was right there where we looked for upside. And that was right here where we looked for upside. And we were right in both instances and looking for that upside. But those were quick sentiment shifts. And they're what's called bear market rallies. That's what that means, a bear market rally. Bear market rallies means the overall trend is to the downside. But within that downward move, there's very violent moves to the upside. That's what a bear market rally is. That's what we've seen those last 2 previous times. One right here and one right here. Okay. So I believe we're about to get another one. I believe we're about to get another move in the market that's going to look something like this. That's going to make everyone feel like the bottom is in. I think that we are going to get a bounce back in the overall markets. I mean, not this severe. These are not meant to be like daily candles. I'm just kind of showing you kind of the area that I think the markets can maybe get to. I think the markets could get to, somewhere around like 406, 407. Okay, I think the markets can maybe get up into this range. I'm looking for a little bit of a bounce back. So what I'm actually doing now, okay, is for this week, I think that you might see me make money this week in call options. We've made a lot of money in put options so far in 2022. All right. I think that this week, I think we're going to turn it around. We're going to flip it and we're going to look for some upside over the next, couple of days. And I think that you can see the SPY back over 400 and we're going to get some call options. We're going to ride that move to the upside. But again, we're not going to be greedy with it. I think we only get up to like 406, 407, but a lot of money to be made for us as traders during that move. And that's what I think that we're going to see here, as I think that we might get like a short-term temporary bear market rally when the market starts to push the upside. If you're not a member of True Trading Group and you're watching that clip, that feeling in the pit of your stomach right now is regret. But don't worry, I'm going to give you guys a chance to fix that right now. How many people are on this live stream right now that are not members of True Trading Group? If you're not a member, type the letters TTG right now in chat. If you're not a member, type the letters TTG. All right. Guys, we literally, do you want to know what the high of the day was today? 407.04. I told you guys on Sunday night the markets were going to get to 406, 407. We got to 407.04 today. Let's see who's not a member. We got Dalama, Gunk, Carolyn, Craig, Aga Fox, Linda, OMG, Paul Guger, Andy, Adam, Just Chillin'. Okay, you guys can see all of people that are typing here. Gerardo, Ty, Doug Whedon. All right, all these people that are typing TTG right now, all of you that are not members of True Trade. First time I've been here, Paul, welcome. Home Remodeling, Rajesh. All right, there you guys have it. Okay, so all of you that are typing TTG, listen to me very carefully, because like I said, I'm going to give you guys a chance right now to actually join the TTG family and be in here with us. We absolutely crushed it today. Today was a huge day. Okay, 90% gain on NVDA call options, 42% gain on Amazon call options. We had RDBX from yesterday at 584. That stock went to 9. I mean, today was just an absolute monster of the day. Okay, it seemed like everywhere that we were today in the markets, we were hitting. Okay, what I want you to do right now, everyone that's typing TTG, I'm going to give you guys some information here on how you can join the TTG platform before and take advantage of our Memorial Day weekend sale before our price jumps up over to $1,500. Okay, we've got an opportunity for you guys right now to get 49% off. It brings the price from $22.12 down to just $11.20. We're going to go up to $1,200 after midnight tonight. You guys can save yourself an extra $80 by jumping on this today before midnight. Otherwise, it jumps to $1,200. And then on Monday night, it'll jump up to $1,500 after Memorial Day. And that's how we're going to run this Memorial Day weekend sale. It was $1,100 last night. It's $1,120 tonight. It'll be $1,200 tomorrow and then $1,500 on Monday. You guys got to realize when you're joining True Trading Group, you're getting access to the same level of professional education that I received when I worked at a fund. It's in-depth and complex, yet easy to understand and implement quickly. Whether you never traded stock a day in your life or you've been doing this for 10 years, our platform can help you guys reach your goals. I get asked a lot, what makes True Trading Group different from other trading courses? And for starters, we are a platform. We are not just a chat. We are a platform. Yes, our platform contains courses, but we are so much more than that. You're going to be gaining access to premium investing tools from today's top fintech companies like Benzinga, TradingView, Trade Ideas, Quote Media, CBOE, Polygon. Okay, these are all companies that have products and tools that traders use to make better decisions. If you were to go to these companies directly on your own, you're going to spend about $4,000 to $5,000 a year. Don't do that. We have already developed and spent years building relationships with these companies so we can offer their products to you at no additional cost. So for just the $11.20 here today, you can get access to all of those tools and all of those resources from those companies at no additional cost. It is included with your annual membership. And not to mention you're joining a group of nearly 9,500 members that are active, educated, like-minded, helpful, and are led by our team of full-time mods that have over 100 years of combined experience trading stocks, options, crypto futures, day trading, swing trading. We also do long-term investing. Listen to what I'm saying, folks, because all those companies, you get their premium tools for free when you sign up for the entire year. And results matter at True Trading Group. And when I say results, I'm not talking about somebody on social media. I'm talking about your P&L. Your results actually matter at True Trading Group. We are not just broken promises and empty words. Bottom line is the majority of members are making money and they're becoming better traders. You don't believe me? Watch this. Guys, if you are a member of True Trading Group, now if you are a member, I want you a very simple question. Are you making money? Are you becoming a better trader? If that answer is yes, I'd like you to type the $ in chat right now. Now, anybody that said you're not a member, I strongly advise that you just pay attention to how many people type the $ that are going to come through on this side of the screen just very, very shortly. These are members of True Trading Group that are telling you, if we're going to get this on the side of the screen, these are members of True Trading Group that are telling you that they're making money and they're becoming better traders. Okay? There's no difference between these people and you. These people all have the same excuses that you had. First of all, they found True Trading Group just like you, one of these live streams. Okay. They found just like you, one of these live streams. But they have all the same excuses. They had small accounts. They have full-time jobs. They had no experience. They've lost money in the markets before. So how is it that all of these people then are typing the dollar sign? I love these people to death. I would do anything for them. But if they can do it, so can you. There's nothing special about these people. All right. So folks, we're going to be steadily moving the price of this membership up. It's $11.20 here today. It's going to be $1,200 at midnight tonight. And then on Monday, it's going to jump to $1,500. And that concludes our Memorial Day sale. So if you guys are interested in this program, you can go to ttgoffer.com right now. Go to ttgoffer.com right now. Enter the coupon code TTG121. Okay, guys, this is for the entire year. Okay, you pay $11.20. That's it. You get access to all of our tools, all of our courses. There's no upsells for courses. There's no upsells for tools. All the tools and all the courses are included when you guys pay the $11.20 for the entire year. We do not have a monthly membership. The reason why we do not have a monthly membership is because 30 days is not enough time for you to go through our courses, learn how to use all the tools, and actually implement what it is that you have learned in True Trading Group to see if you can become successful and you guys can reach your goals. 1 month is not enough time. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I will be the first person to tell you that, listen, you're not going to join True Trading Group and just make millions of dollars tomorrow, okay? Just like anything else, any other skill in life that you're going to build requires just a little bit of effort from you to actually get yourself educated and then be able to then capitalize on the opportunities that are in the marketplace. I'm giving you guys the entire year to do so. And the first 15 people to go to ttgoffer.com and use the code TTG121. I'm also going to give you a free laptop. This is for the first 15 people that do so, okay? For the first 15 people. When you complete our courses and quizzes, we're going to give you a brand new free laptop. We even cover the shipping. It's totally free. You do not need to enter your address when you sign up. After you sign up to TTG, you will get a welcome email with instructions on how to claim your free laptop. Okay. You're also going to get 2 small private study group sessions. Okay. You're also going to get 2 small private study group sessions. They're going to be your chance to talk to a TTD pro trader, ask questions, go over topics I'm sure about to really help speed up that learning curve. And last, but certainly not least, I'm going to show you, I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. Every single person that joins True Trading Group tonight, you have 1 year to go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend 1 study session. If you do those 3 things and do not make back the $11.20 at least once throughout your membership, I will give you double your money back. Listen to me very carefully. You'll pay $11.20 tonight. You have 1 year to go through the courses, quizzes, and 1 study group. If you fail to make the $11.20 back at least once, I will give you $2,240 in return. I'm not saying you have a 30-day money back guarantee. You have the entire year. You can literally come to us on day 364 and say, I never made $11.20. I want my money back. And I'll give you $2,240. That's how confident we are in our ability to help you become successful. That's how we hold ourselves accountable to you. But listen to me very carefully, guys. I see the results that our members have. We have a retention rate of about 78%. Okay. That double your money back guarantee is there to protect you and to hold us accountable. But the chances are that you won't need it. You're signing up to True Trading Group to make money, not to get a refund. So let's make that clear. And for those asking about the laptop, guys, the laptop is brand new. It's going to either be an Asus, HP, Acer, Dell, or Lenovo. It'll be one of those brands, one of those 5 brands. And it'll be totally free. We even cover the shipping costs. We ship anywhere in the world. Ship anywhere in the world. All right. So there you guys have it. All right. So you can go to ttgoffer.com, enter the coupon code TTG121. All right. And that'll get you guys the 49% discount. Okay. The brand new laptop for the first 15 people. And then you're going to be getting the 2 private study groups and the double your money back guarantee. All right. So guys, this is it. All right. So like I said, 11:20 tonight, after midnight tonight, we jump to 1,200. Then Monday, we jump to 1,500. So you guys have a chance right now to save yourself that extra $80. Jump on it right now for 11:20. All right. There you guys have that. All right. So like I said, guys, great day in the markets today. Solid day. So if you guys have questions about the membership, if you guys are having a hard time signing up, you can send a text message to 201-775-9702. Again, that is 201-775-9702. If you guys have questions about the membership, I got the free laptop, the Asus. Hold on. It supports an external monitor. Also very cool. It's nice. Yeah. No, these are our nice laptops, guys. These are nice laptops. What if you don't need a laptop? Sell it on eBay. It's free. Just give it to your kid. Sell it on eBay. I don't know. Sell it on eBay. Get cash for it. Sell it on eBay. If you don't need the free laptop. Either way, the next 15 people that go to ttgoffer.com and then use the coupon code TTG121, you will be getting that free laptop. And as long as you see a laptop inside your checkout cart, that's how you know that you're getting one of the laptops. As long as you see one, that's how you guys know you're good and you're getting one. All right. And then that phone number again is at the bottom of the screen. If you guys have questions, you can send a text message to that phone number right there, right now. Okay. Anybody have any questions about the membership or anything that I just said? Can I get an autographed TTG cap instead? No, just free laptops. Just free laptops. Okay, guys. So, folks, I would not waste another moment. The time for you guys to really get educated, I'm telling you guys, is right now. The opportunities that we have in the markets right now, like you're seeing it. You're seeing this right now. As I told you guys on Sunday, the markets were going to bounce back. And then here you go. There's your bounce back. There's your bear market rally. And we ripped it today. 90% calls. Hold on. Let's read this message. Thanks, Doc. I donate my laptop to an underprivileged boy from the neighborhood. Wow, that's incredible. So he could learn English. That's absolutely incredible. I love that you did that. I really love that you did that. Good for you. Really good for you. We need more people in the world like you. Very nice. I'm really glad to hear that you did that. That's awesome. It's really awesome. All right, folks. So now let's get into kind of the overall markets. Let's talk about the trades from today. We got to talk about the NVDA trade. We got to talk about Amazon. And we got to talk about the overall markets. And what does this mean now for the markets going forward? Okay. Everybody wants to know, is the sell-off or is this crash over? Okay. Is it over? That's what everybody wants to know, right? Before I get into that, and before we answer that question, and I give you guys my input and my opinion, we are going to do a giveaway. All right. So to do the giveaway, I'm going to bring on my business partner and co-founder, Adam, and he's going to help me do this giveaway. We're giving away $1,000 worth of Ethereum. Okay. We're giving away $1,000 worth of Ethereum. Okay. To one lucky TTG member. So here is our wheel of names. We're going to spin this wheel. All right. We are going to spin this wheel. And let's see who it is. We've got a member of TTG. Over 1,000 people registered for this giveaway. We're going to see who's it going to be. All right, round and round we go. Who's it going to be? Dana Wozniak. Dana Wozniak. Dana Wozniak, congratulations, the winner of our $1,000 worth of Ethereum giveaway. Everybody, huge congrats to Dana Wozniak. $1,000 worth of Ethereum. Congratulations, Dana. Dana, remember you got the instructions on how to claim that $1,000 worth of Ethereum in the instructions when you signed up for the giveaway. So make sure to just follow those instructions to get your $1,000 worth of Ethereum. All right. Congrats. Guys, code word for tonight. Also, if you are not a member of True Trading Group, don't worry about this code word. This code word is for members only. Okay, we do a lot of fun giveaways with members. We give away cash, we give away electronics. So this is code word number 12 out of 18. This code word is meeting. Meeting is the code word for tonight. Meeting. All right. That's the code word for tonight. And guys, don't forget at 8:30 p.m. Eastern tonight in the main chat room. This is for members. We are going to be holding an important meeting. We're asking all members to attend. We're going to be talking about, we made a lot of changes with TTG over the last 12 months. The platform has changed a lot. I want to make sure you guys are fully up to speed with what is taking place in True Trading Group, what's new, what is going to be happening over the next several months, and how to make sure you can get the most value out of all of these updates. All right, so you guys want to tune in if you can, 8:30 p.m. Eastern tonight inside of the main chat room. All right. Okay, guys. So there we have that. All right, so there we have that. Let's take things back now. Let's go back over to the charts. All right, let's take it back over to the charts. And what we'll do first, all right, what we'll do first is let's talk about the overall market first. And then I want to get into and then we'll get into the trades, right? Because everybody wants to know about the overall markets. Everybody wants to know about everything. So you saw in that video clip, I told you guys on Sunday night, right? I told you Sunday night that I thought we were going to get back to 406, 407. Okay. Well, where do we go today? Everybody welcome Brandon. Brandon is the newest member of the group. We have now just 14 of those laptops left. Everybody welcome Brandon. Okay. Brandon is the newest member of the group. 14 laptops left, guys. Just go to ttgoffer.com. Use the code TTG121. That is how you guys will be able to get a 49% discount. Drops the price to $11.20. It's going to $1,200 at midnight tonight. So you guys only have a few hours left until that price jumps to $1,200. Then we're going to be at $1,500 on Monday. All right, so you guys can go to ttgoffer.com right now. Use the code TTG121. No more feelings of regret. If you guys watched that video clip, I told you on Sunday, we're getting call options this week. I'm looking for the SPY back to 406, 407. We hit it today. 407 on the button. 407.04, high of the day on the SPY today. And we were long since 9:49 a.m. Eastern time this morning. We got long 19 minutes after the open, and we rode that thing all day long. Guys, congratulations to my TTG members that caught this. If you guys made money in chat today, tell me about it. Sound off. I want to know. If you guys banked in chat today, if you guys made money, tell me how you did. I'd love to hear how you guys did. Fire away. I want to know. I want to know. Guys, we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot. Almost 1,530 reviews. Go read the reviews. There's no better reviews than those of your peers. See what it is that you guys are actually missing out on. See what it is that you guys are missing out on. Look at all my TTG fam. Yeah, I just see dollar signs. I see people just typing dollar signs. I love it. Yes, Sherry, $1,400 today. Phillips made 1 month salary on the Amazon trade. Sick. Diane Fig with a 305% gain on AMD, which was the NVDA trade. Same thing, playing it a different way. AMD and NVIDIA, you can trade those two stocks together. Yes, smoke in NVIDIA at 152 and change, out at 179. $550 for Jose. Absolutely beautiful. Woo! Yes, $600 today for Moose Market, says 600 easy peasy. Yes, very green for Steve, a $5,700 day. 30% for JP Therapy. Memphis Street Doc, which is $1,700 day. 110 and 85% gains for Dennis. Ribbonhead hit NVIDIA. $500 for my boy Jimmy JJ. Key Sun, $65,000 day. Big money. $2,000 for Lily M's on an Amazon trade. Absolutely incredible. I love it. Coffee Crisp with a cool 3,600. $3,000 for Natesk on NVIDIA. $850 for Soccer Mom. Killing it. Great job, guys. Really great job. Just congratulations to you all. It was a great day in chat today. And the analysis was spot on. $1,200 for my boy Jimmy Hart. What's up, Jimmy? I miss you, brother. How are you? Nice job. $1,200 for Jimmy. I like it. I like it. I like it. Vic made $7K on Tesla and Amazon. Big day, big day, big day. Great job, guys. All right. So, like I'm saying, those of you that are not members, you see this is the stuff you're missing out on. You know, I don't know how many more times I got to come on these live. I really don't. I really don't know how many more times I got to come on these live streams and tell you guys, this is what I think the market's going to do. This is what we're going to do. This is how I plan on making money. And then I come on these live streams and I continuously have to play you video clips from previous live streams showing you that I told you that this is what we were going to be doing. And yet you're still not with us. You're still not in chat. You're still not logged into the mobile app. You're still not listening to the analysis that we give throughout the day. I am literally on the microphone talking to members all day long, telling them what I'm going to do before I do it. Guys, true or false, my TG fam, did I or did I not come on the microphone today and tell you, guys, I'm looking to buy NVIDIA? Right? I'm telling you, I come on the microphone, I tell you what I'm going to do before I actually do it. It's very easy for you guys to follow along with what it is that we're doing and what it is that we're trading inside of chat, because I'm telling you what we're going to do before I actually do it. This way, it's very easy for you to follow along with our trades if you guys would like. If you can listen to music while you're at work, you can be connected to our mobile app. The mobile app is available on iPhone or Android. This way you can still be connected to chat. You can listen to what it is that we're saying. You can get real-time push notifications whenever a moderator enters or exits a trade. And that's how so many people that are into trading group that have a full-time job are still able to get value and are still able to become profitable traders. All right. So there you guys have it. All right, let's get back over to the markets. Let's get back over to the charts and let's talk about it. Everybody welcome Ty. Sorry, it's a typo. Everybody welcome Ty. Everybody welcome Ty. There's 13 laptops left now. Everybody welcome Ty. Ty's the newest member of the group. Ty, we're excited to have you. We are excited to have you, Ty. Guys, don't forget that price jumps at midnight tonight. All right, that price jumps at midnight tonight. All right, that price jumps at midnight tonight. So today's your last night to take advantage of that 11:20 price point before it jumps. And then don't forget, Monday at midnight, we're jumping up to 1,500. So there you guys go. Oh, man, I sure do hope you're not all bots. I just signed up. My TTG fam, are you bots? You guys can respond to Ty. Are you bots? My TTG fam, everybody just respond whatever you want to say to Ty that wants to know, are you a bot? Everybody fire away.
If anyone knows how to make those bots, because I've never even seen anything like that.
I know. I don't know what people always say, like, oh,
how do you make bots that respond to what it is that you are saying on a live stream?
I don't know.
If anyone knows how to do that, send me a message. Send a message to 201-775-9702 because I feel like we can make a lot of money with that. And I've never seen anything like that. So I'm just putting it out there. I've just never seen anything like it. So
wait, I just saw my favorite response. I lost the username because there's so many people typing. But when I said, guys, type whatever you want to show that you're not a bot, somebody's response goes, potato. It's my favorite response. So there you guys have it, folks. So you guys can see for yourself the comments flowing through chat. You can see for yourself. No bots here. So Ty, Brandon, welcome to the TTG family. All right, I'm glad to have you guys part of the group. All right, glad to have you guys part of the group. All right. Okay, gang. So what I'd like to do now, like I said, I'd like to take you guys back over to the Elizabeth. Welcome. Guys, welcome Elizabeth. 12 of those laptops now left. Everyone, welcome Elizabeth. Newest member of the group. Elizabeth, welcome to the family. Guys, remember, you can go to ttgoffer.com and use the code TTG121 right now. and you guys can get that 1120 price point before the price goes up, get the free laptop, the 2 study groups, and then double your money back guarantee. All right. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this. So this level on the overall markets is going to be very, very important. Okay. So as you can see, and I drew this line out on the daily chart. All right. I'll make the line bigger for those of you that have smaller screens or maybe watching this at home. I'll make sure you guys can see this easily. You'll see that we previously had support, right? You see how you had support right along that line? Once we broke underneath it, you'll notice that it became resistance. We rallied back up to test it again. It became resistance. And now we've rallied back up to once again become resistance. Everybody welcome Thomas. Thomas is the newest member of the group, guys. There's now just 11 laptops. Oh, Thomas, hold on. Thomas, you overpaid, brother. Thomas, you overpaid. So listen, guys, Thomas, you did not use the coupon code. So Thomas, tomorrow morning, or send an email to info@truetradinggroup.com. I'm talking to Thomas now. Send an email to info@truetradinggroup.com. Okay. And we will refund you back the difference. If you are on this live stream, okay, you guys can use the TTG121 coupon code. Don't pay the full price. Get the 49% discount. Joe, why don't you pull up the checkout card just to show people, just to make sure that they are doing it correctly. So guys, here's the checkout page. You got to enter the coupon code right there, TTG121, then click apply code. Then you get the 49% discount. If you don't do that, you're going to pay full price. All right, don't pay full price. I mean, listen, you guys are here. You're trying to learn. You're trying to get educated. Take advantage of the discount. We'll refund you the difference tomorrow, Thomas. Welcome to the family. 11 laptops left, guys. Look at that. A Lutique, username Lutique says, I actually did not get to be in chat today, but I made money because of the education. That is a key point. Thank you for actually saying that. That's a key point I want to discuss a little bit further, because our goal at True Trading Group is to teach you how to fish and for you to become self-sufficient traders on your own. Okay. That is one of our goals at True Trading Group. That's real. Honestly, who else does that? Nobody. Yes. Yes. So traders will realize their full potential when they're able to identify opportunities in the market on their own and have the confidence to pull the trigger on their own. Now, like I said, you can follow all the trades that we do. Okay. But I want you to be able to learn the why, not just follow the what. I want you to learn the why. All right. That's how you guys will realize your maximum potential. So thanks for commenting on that. I think that's an important little factoid. Okay. Okay, gang. So getting back to the SPY and the overall market. So this level of resistance is very, very important. All right. Now, I will say this. I will say that I think that this bear market rally is gonna test you. Meaning I think this bear market rally can go higher. I do. I think this bear market rally can get through this level and get up like into this region before running out of steam and then eventually getting back underneath it. Okay. So I think that the markets are going to start to kind of open up a bit. And I actually do believe, I'm not sure if it happens tomorrow, but I do believe in the next couple of days that the SPY can be over this level. Okay. And then you can breathe a little bit more. All right. So I don't necessarily think this bear market rally is over. All right. I think we can get up to maybe like 415, like 410, 415. I think we can get a little bit higher. All right. I think we can get a little bit higher. Now, if I turn out to be wrong about that and we reject heavily tomorrow at this 407, 408, and if we reject heavily at this resistance level, and all of a sudden you see, you know, the SPY, you know, does this tomorrow. All right. If you see this tomorrow, then this is a different story. Then this would be a rejection at this resistance level that is 407. And then I would expect the markets to go back and then test the bottom end of this range. Let me reshare my screen. If we put in the candle, I just drew this red candle, right? So see, I just drew this. If you get something like that tomorrow, all right, that would be a pretty heavy rejection at that resistance level. And I would expect the SPY to go back down to this end of the range and start to flirt around with the 390s. Okay. I would expect it to drop back down and float around with the 390s. But I believe that we can get through this. I believe this bear market rally after the Fed minutes yesterday, I believe that we could climb. I believe we can get through this level. And then you have the Fed meeting coming up in about 2 weeks. And then when we get the Fed meeting, that's when we'll readjust. We'll have to readjust depending on what the Fed does. Now I'm expecting the Fed to give us a 50-point rate hike. If there's something different there in that 50-point rate hike, we'll have to see, and that will change my thoughts and directions on the overall market. So I still do think that the markets are going to be choppy for the next, couple of weeks. But that choppy meaning, I think we can go up, and then I think we're going to pull back down. And then we can bounce back up, and I think we can pull back down. And there's a lot of money to be made inside of that action. But I do think that we're going to get a little bit more upside here. I think we can get above 406, 407 and push like that 410 to 415. And I think you're going to get a lot of people that are going to try to short the market at this area. And I think that those people may get squeezed and tested out up to that 410, 415. And then before the markets maybe eventually make another move to the downside, if you get more companies, which I think you will, more companies revising guidance down, and then you'll get another, the next round of earnings when people report Q2 earnings, people missing or revising guidance again, and that can, give you a whole nother growth scare in the market, and that can take you back down beneath 400. And then at that moments, those are the moments when you got to be adding to the long-term portfolio, like we did just about 2 weeks ago when we broke underneath 400, we dropped down towards 390. We were adding in our long-term portfolio a list of 9 stocks. My TC fan, you can find the list of those stocks on the blog post that we posted from May 10th. All right. Then you're going to get some inflation data, and we're going to go through that inflation data, and then we're really going to see kind of where we're at with inflation, if inflation really has peaked. If inflation really has peaked, Alberto, everybody welcome Alberto. 10 laptops left. Thomas, you were just refunded the difference, brother, by the way. Thomas, we just refunded you. All right. So Alberto, welcome to the TT family. There are now just 10 laptops left, guys. That's it. Okay. That is it. They're going fast now. Usually once we get to 10, they fly. So I wouldn't even waste any more time. If you guys are interested in joining the fam, I'd go to TTOffer. Let's see. Here they go. I'd go to TTOffer.com right now. Kellen, welcome. There's 9 left. Guys, I'd hurry up. I'd go right to TTOffer.com. Grab a laptop while you still can, right? If you're going to join, why not get a free laptop? If you don't want it, who cares? Sell it on eBay. Get yourself a couple $100, put it in your pocket, and put it right towards your membership. It's free. The laptop is free. So essentially with the laptop, you're spending less than $1,000 for your membership for the entire year. Okay. And getting access to the tools, the resources, the education, everything that we have here. And you guys can follow along with these trades and with the analysis that we share with you guys on a daily basis. And instead of watching me on these live streams, you can be participating in chat and hitting some of these trades. And then don't forget, guys, if you're a new member of True Trading Group 2, we got that meeting tonight at 8:30 p.m. Eastern inside the main chat room. That's going to be at 8:30 p.m. Eastern in the main chat room. You guys I'd like you asking all members to attend if you can. We're going to talk about some of the changes that have happened with True Trading Group over the last 12 months and what changes we see upcoming and how you can get the most value out of those changes. Okay. All right, guys. So that's the overall markets. That's my thoughts there. Let's talk about the trades from today. We got to talk about NVIDIA. If you guys remember last night on the live stream, I was talking to you about NVIDIA. and we dropped after earnings yesterday on NVIDIA. And NVIDIA yesterday, when we were live, NVIDIA was at $153, $155. Okay, so after earnings, NVIDIA dropped all the way down to here. Okay, literally NVIDIA was here after hours yesterday when they reported earnings. We came into the day, I told you during earnings yesterday, I said, if NVIDIA is still underneath that 158 tomorrow morning, you got to look for 158 to become resistance. That was a big, big, big level of support. So we got under it yesterday. Through last night into this morning in the after hours session, NVIDIA got back above that resistance level, or excuse me, that support level. Okay. It got back above it. That was huge. NVIDIA is a tech stock darling. So many people love this company in like the hedge fund world. I love this company. It's one of my favorite companies that I own in my long-term portfolio. It is one of the companies that I added to last week or 2 weeks ago when I started nibbling in my long-term portfolio. I will be a shareholder of NVIDIA for at least the next 10 years. Once people saw that NVIDIA got back above that support level, it was a screaming buy from a technical standpoint. And we just shot immediately right up off the opening bell. We just exploded and went green. That's a huge red to green move. And then inside this consolidation right here is where we went ahead and we got long NVIDIA. Okay, right here is where we got long NVIDIA. And whenever I enter, whenever I enter a large cap stock, okay, because I bought shares, I bought the stock itself. Whenever I enter a large cap, I always give members, okay, an option contract. If you want to follow me on the trade, but don't have the capital to buy a $170 stock, I give you an option to follow me on the trade. So at 9:49, when I entered this trade, okay, I got long at $169.60. Okay, that's my entry, $169.60. I told members that wanted to follow me, you can go after the June 3rd $170 strike call option. And at the time of that alert, that call option was trading at around $6.40. Okay, $6.40, $6.50. Some people got in at 610. Some people got in at like 660. Some people got in at 680. Okay, but in that like mid sixes is where that option was trading at the time that I entered the trade long. And then you'll see, guys, the rest is history. This stock absolutely exploded today. Look at this thing. Absolutely exploded. We absolutely demolished this trade. The call out, the option on this thing went over $13. Okay. Members got in the option at 640, 680, 650, 660. This thing went to $13. Okay. Went all the way up to $13. That is over a 90% gain. Okay. Almost a 100% gain in one day. In one day. Okay. Like this is the type of volatility, therefore opportunity that I'm trying to explain to you guys. This is a prime example of what you can do with a full-time job. You're at work, you got your app on, you get an alert, Michael Edward, long, NVIDIA 169.60, or 6.3 expiration, 170 strike call option, stop loss, 165, right? That's the trade alert that got sent today. How many of you made money on NVIDIA or AMD if you got while you guys were at work? If you made money today while at work, sound off in chat. Let me know. I want to know. Tell me what you do for a living too. If you made money today at work, type the letter I. Tell me what you do for a living too. I'd like to know. What were you doing at work today? Okay. What were you doing at work today while you were able to capitalize and make money on these trades? Tell me. I want to know. I also think it's very important for non-members to see what you guys do for a living that you're still able to capitalize on the opportunity that we have in the markets. Cam made money today on the NVIDIA trade working at a lumber yard. Working at a lumber yard. Still was able to capitalize and make money today. ZCMDZ says, can I just subscribe to the alerts? Why would you want to just get the alerts? And the answer is no. TTG is a full, all-inclusive platform. When you join True Trading Group, you're not just joining to get alerts. You're joining to have access to our platform. That's what it is. It's like you can't say to Netflix, hey, Netflix, can I only subscribe to your documentaries? I don't want to do anything else. I don't want to see anything else that you have on your platform. No, when you subscribe to Netflix, you're subscribing to their platform. When you subscribe to True Trading Group, you are subscribing to our platform. And you get with it every single thing that is included in our platform, which includes all of our trade alerts and every single other tool and resource that we have from all these fintech companies that would cost you normally $4,000 to $5,000 a year. That's what you're getting when you join True Trading Group. You don't want to be dependent on me forever. You want to just get alerts. You want to actually learn. What happens if, God forbid, something happens to me a year from now? You're all going to stop making money in the market? No. This is a skill that if you learn how to do properly, you can carry this with you for the rest of your life. You don't want to be reliant on me. When you become a trader, you're the ultimate entrepreneur. And if all you're doing is relying on me, you're not an entrepreneur. You work for me. You're reliant on me. All right. So there you guys have it. Nice, beautiful trade there on NVIDIA. It was an absolute monster. It was an absolute home run. Okay. It was an absolute home run. Amazon. Similar type of play, right? I'm thinking the markets, I'm long the markets today. All right, let's go back to the overall charts. I'm thinking the markets were going to be long today. All right, so I step in and went long Amazon. Now, the reason why I liked Amazon here is because Amazon got over a key level of resistance, right? So here's your level of resistance on Amazon, okay? Look at this. Resistance, resistance, resistance. You guys see this? You see this level? Look at this level of resistance on Amazon. Right? So when we broke over that today, now we're above that level, and I'm bullish. I think the markets are going to move higher. So I'm looking for reasons to be long, and I get one. And here is a beautiful trade line VWAP cross. And this was my buy signal. This tail was my buy signal. Okay, that tail was my buy signal, and I got long Amazon right there. Right there is why I stepped in, and I bought Amazon. And again, I gave my members the option contract to coincide with it. When I stepped in and I got long Amazon, let's see, I'll give you the exact alert. I got long $21.93 and 10 cents, so $2,193. And I told people, if you want to follow me on the trade, you can grab the June 3rd $2,200 strike call option. And at the time, that call option was trading at around $63, $64 a contract. Very expensive options for Amazon. Okay, very expensive option for Amazon. But that option went all the way to like $92 or $95, something like that. Okay, Phillips got in at 63.40. There you go. Boom. 63.40. That option went to like $95. Just a beast. Just an absolute beast of a trade. Okay, and you guys can see Amazon just ripped today. Just ripped. Look at this thing. Boom. Just exploded. Okay, so just really great job. I really got to commend you guys on a great day today. Okay, so there you guys have it, folks. That's where we made all of our money today. Oh, RDBX. Let's talk about RDBX. So RDBX, we got long RDBX yesterday at $5.84 right there. So right there was our entry. If you guys watched my live stream yesterday, you'll know we went over this trade yesterday. This was RDBX. We got long at 584. We took profit yesterday. We held some. The stock gapped up today. We took more profit off today, actually pre-market. Before the markets opened, I took another piece of profit off there, right around 825. And then I added back to the position right there. And then I took another piece of profit off right here. And then we finally got flat the position right there, 824. Okay, so there's just an update on the RDBX, long at 584. We took profits all along the way, 650, 670, then took more profits off at 825, got long again, added back to the position, took more profits off over 925, and then you had the pullback, and then we got flat right there at 825. All right. All right, so again, entry, take profits, and you guys have it. All right. So that's it, folks. That completes the educational aspect of this live stream. I hope you guys found this useful. I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope you learned something. More importantly, I hope you guys made money. And I come on here and I'll always give you guys my thoughts and my analysis, but being on these live streams just isn't enough. Being on these live streams just isn't enough. You got to get yourselves in there, guys. You got to get yourselves in the action. It's time you guys, stop sitting on the sidelines. Stop reading Reddit and Twitter to try to get your financial advice. That's a joke. Okay. That's not how you guys are going to reach your goals. You reach your goals by actually getting a real education and having access to the proper tools that professional traders use. If professional traders use these tools, there's a reason why they do. You should use them. We'll teach you how to use them. You have access to them on the TeachD platform. Speaking of the TeachD platform, let me actually show you what it looks like, right? So for those that are still interested, let me show you the platform. I'll show you what it looks like. This is everything you're going to get included because you're going to get access to our chat room, okay? Our chat room is where the mods and I share our screen with you. We're live on the microphone. We're calling out trades in real time throughout the course of the trading day. We're there with you from pre-market till after hours. We're not just gone after an hour and you're left to fend for yourself. And then you have the mobile app. The mobile app is where you can be in our chat room. You can see the screen share. You can get the real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit trades. As long as you can listen to music at work, you can listen to the analysis that we go through during the trading session. And you guys can take advantage of the opportunities in the market, just like the members in TTG do. You're also going to get 2 small private study group sessions. That's your chance to get individual attention from a TTG mods. You can ask some questions. You can go over, topics that you're having a hard time with so we can speed up your learning curve. And then now you have all the tools. The tools I'm about to show you are included for free with your 1120. You do not pay extra for them. But these would cost you about $4 to $5 grand if you went to the companies on your own. You get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. It's a live up to the second news service that if you went to Benzinga on your own, you're going to spend $1,400 a year to have access to this newsfeed. It is included for free with our membership at True Trading Group. You're also going to get TradingView's premium charting software. This would cost you several $100s a year if you went to TradingView on your own. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares, included with your membership for free at True Trading Group. You get the Trade Ideas Scanner. This is the industry standard scanner. It shows you what stocks are making new highs, new lows, which ones have a surge in volume. Would cost you several $100s a year if you went to Trade Ideas on your own. This streams on our platform live every day. Use our simulator. Our simulator lets you trade stocks and options with fake money, but with real-time data while you practice implementing what you are learning in the courses. Use the simulator. Prove you can make money with fake money first before you risk your hard-earned cash. This, again, would cost you easily a few $100. Okay? Free with your membership to True Trading Group. Okay? Our own scanner. We have our own proprietary scanner. Similar to FinViz Elite, for those that are familiar with FinViz Elite, but it also lets you scan for crypto. For my crypto enthusiasts out there. You also get real-time dark pool data and unusual options activity. This is stuff that used to only be available to professionals. Now it is at the fingertips of my TeachG fam. This is how we level the playing field and empower the retail trader and investor by giving you access to the same tools that professional traders use, and we will teach you how to use these tools. You also get a journal that tracks your own trading and gives you statistics so you can figure out what you're doing wrong and where you need to make adjustments. We have a social sentiment scanner that scours through Reddit and Twitter and stock twits and tells you what ticker symbols are mentioned most on those platforms so you can stay ahead of the crowd. Then you get analyst ratings. Any company you're interested in, you'll get a downloadable report that shows you all of the analyst ratings. How many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on that particular stock? Every day, the mods publish a watch list with the stocks we're looking at and a game plan on how we intend on trading them. Then you have our courses. Our courses are, again, our simplified and expanded upon version. What I learned that I worked at the fund in New York. There's beginner foundation courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it. We've got it all in text and video, whatever's easy for you to learn. There are no VIP courses that cost more money after you join. Every single course is included when you guys join for the 1120. Then you get a video library that has over 200 hours of additional video content. These are workshops and webinars that we've conducted covering a variety of topics like how to grow a small account, how to trade work at a full-time job, how to resist FOMO, just to name a few. And then you can attend all these workshops live when you guys become full-time members. It's time you invested in something real, something that actually has a chance to help you reach your goals, something that, you know, is going to be able to help you guys develop the skills that are needed to become become consistently profitable. For those that are asking about the brand new laptop, it's going to either be an Asus, HP, Acer, Dell, or Lenovo, and you do not need to enter your address when you sign up. After you sign up, you get a welcome email that will include instructions on how to claim that free laptop. You do not need to enter your address. You just have to go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121. As long as you see a laptop, you're getting one. The price is $1120 here tonight for Memorial Day. It jumps to $1,200 tomorrow, and then $1,500 on Monday. So you guys save yourself some extra money. Get yourselves in on that TTG121 coupon code right here, right now. I can't promise you're going to be successful. I can't guarantee you're going to make money, make millions of dollars, but I can guarantee you a real chance to develop the skills that are needed to become profitable. And I can guarantee you that if you fail to make the 1120 back at least once during your membership, I will give you double your money back. That's $2,240. That's how confident we are in our ability to help you become successful. We have a 78% retention rate since 2016 and a 2.48% refund rate. I share that with you to prove to you the refund is real, but also how infrequently we get requested the refund. The refund is there to protect you and to hold us accountable. But let's be real. You're joining True Trading Group to make money, not to get a refund. And I'm confident that if you put in just a little bit of effort, go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group, that we can help you reach that goal. The ball's in your court now. Choice is up to you. You go to ttgoffer.com right now, enter the code TTG121. You've got that double your money back guarantee to protect you. It's up to you guys to take advantage of the opportunities that this market has presented to you day in, day out, and what is in front of you right now. If you're still unsure about the program, you do have a 7-day free trial if you'd like to give us a shot. It's ttgthree.com. No credit card required. Name and email, you're done. All right. Again, ttgthree.com, 7-day free trial. Check us out for yourself. All right. That's it, folks. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. Don't forget, my members, 8:30 p.m. Eastern, live in the main trading chat room. We are going to be going, or we're going to be having a meeting in the chat room. We're going to talk about, we got through a lot of changes. The teaching platform has evolved. We got a lot of changes over the last 12 months. I want to make sure everybody's aware of what has changed. I want to make sure everybody is aware of what changes are coming and how members can get the most value out of that. So that's 8:30 p.m. Eastern, the main chat. That's for members only. If you're not a member, don't worry about it. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow.